One of the learning curves in using OneDrive is getting people to save stuff into OneDrive. A quick tip that you can use to help with that is taking the OneDrive folder and putting it on your local computer in Windows Explorer. Now, oftentimes when OneDrive gets set up for you, this might happen automatically. Your IT might do this for you. But if you're doing it on your own, or maybe that didn't happen, a quick way to do that is go into OneDrive, which I am right here, and you're just going to come across the top here and click this sync button. And when you click sync, it's going to launch the OneDrive app on your local computer. And after you go through the setup, it will show up over here in your Windows Explorer. So here you can see my OneDrive VILT right here. And if we look at it, the exact same contents that are in my OneDrive in the cloud are now here on my local computer. I can now use this folder to add documents in, make changes to documents, and it makes life a lot easier.